dedicate to the BATs. My name is Samson. I can call me SKB Records. This is what I do, guys. Behind the scenes and exclusive interviews with musicians right here in Ghana. And our guests who are going to be here, the instrumentalists are going to play all the vibes and everything that will go on to then. You are subscribed to my YouTube channel, SKB Records. On Instagram, SKB. You can also follow me on my website, skbnews.com. God bless you. Behind my camera, Mr. Divine. God bless you for watching. Bye-bye.
SKB Steve.
That's Welby.
Hana content, Papa Nina. What are you doing? Senior man, we on.
The one and only vlogger.
Hey, bro.
You're the man. Once again, you're watching.
No, but I think that's just how. A bit much so. You say me not in fashion. Ti uni. Matis present where me ba.
Bless you so much. My name is Samson. Call me Skibit Records. Bye-bye. An exclusive interview. I know I have channel viewers and followers out there. There's this one guy, I'll say I'm a man a shout out. So Justice K upon. The other time he said if I get to post a video, I should give you a shout out. So Justice, you said you are from Enyinem, from eastern of Ghana. Okay. So Justice, I'm sure also Skibit Records. Yes. Go to follow me on Instagram, as well as also do subscribe and share this video. Samson, behind my camera is Divine. God bless you for watching.